Hello everybody, welcome to the Balloon Guild. Here is our new updated website stuff. The first thing you'll notice before you log in is that we've changed our menu up top here. We've got our recipes that are now more searchable. Our guest designers you can land on directly. And let's log in to see some other things. I'm going to log in here, pop in my password and username, and you're going to see that now the guest designer information shows up immediately up top. A nice beautiful display showing and showcasing the guest designer of the month. You can still type in your search here for whatever it may be, and then when you hit search, that'll pop up below that content there, and you've got multiple pages as well. As we've recently updated, you can put in your email and a recipe request, and that'll go to our email and let us know about recipes you'd like to see so we can add them to the queue for the Balloon Guild. And then if you click on this top header of recipes, it'll take you to where it used to, where you've got a visual image to click on these types of titles, which by the way are the same titles here at the moment. Guest designers is separated, but that's okay. Same thing, if you click on guest designer here, it'll take you to the main guest designer page where you can see visual image where it has now the names of the person as well as their company logos. And then down here you'll have October through September in this case, where it tells you the name and the company, and you can see in order of what's going on. Also, if you go to releases, you'll see what's new or the latest thing that's been popped out. This is always a month behind, so just know that this doesn't say August until September, and it gives a little bit of what happened, and then it pops up the things that were posted, in this case in August, in June, in May, and there's a 2nd May, so I will go and delete that, and then it'll be April, and then March, so tons and tons of stuff that's been added all the time. But also if you click on any of these hierarchy pieces, like holiday designs, it'll pop you in on another menu, and it'll show you the holiday designs in full, so you can just search through them, or you can go through and you can click on something like Valentine's Day here, which will take you to the same thing as clicking on this Valentine's Day, and then that'll pop up the Valentine's Day recipes as well. So all kinds of new stuff happening with the Balloon Guild, and as always you can click on the logo to go back to the main page, and that is our new navigation right now. So if you have any questions, any comments, anything you want to see, please let us know. We're happy to figure out how to make this better for absolutely everyone.